What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. So today's going to be super simple. I have these coaster blanks. They're just extra black resin that I had that I poured into my coaster mold. Wasn't sure what I was going to do with them, but I didn't want to waste it, and so I put them aside. And now I know what I'm going to do with them. So I have these sticker packs from Dollar Tree, and I am a hoarder. I'm a crafter who likes to keep things around for many years. So these are from, I know there's a year on here. Anyway, these are from like 2018, 2017, something like that. They're the same stickers, just different packaging. So I decided that this black background would look awesome with this doily on it. So here's what my plan is. I'm going to stick these down, and then I'm going to top them with clear resin, let those cure, and boom, I've got really cool coasters. So I'm going to go mix up my resin and come back when that's ready, and we'll get started. Hang tight. Okay guys, resin is mixed. I'm setting it very far away from myself while I do this, or while my mask is off anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and add the stickers to the coasters. I'm hoping to get them centered, which means that you guys might not be able to see this as well, because I'm going to have to probably pull the coasters closer to me. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some music to this part, but not necessarily fast forward it, because I don't think it's going to be a very long process. But I'm going to put my mask back on, put the stickers on, and then I'm going to top them up. So here we go. These are topped. To avoid issues where the resin pulls to one side, I'm actually going to move these to a table for curing that I know is balanced. Stay tuned. We will see how they cure up tomorrow. Alright guys, these turned out absolutely fantastic. I freaking love them. Oh my god. So excited about these. I only have 3 here. I had to redome one of them. But of course you'll see that in the, you'll see it in the grand reveal. But anyway, oh my god, they're so pretty. So, yeah, stick around for the glamour shots. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's free. Just do it already. And give this a video a like. Or a dislike. Or whatever you want to do. And leave me a comment and tell me how stupid I am. And all those fun things. Anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. You're awesome. Take care.